Okay, let's take this one as another topic. Finding the bearing of a point from another point. The bearing of a point from another point. Don't forget that we have done a video on compass bearing and four-figure bearing. How to draw both the compass bearing and four-figure bearing. Now we want to look at finding the bearing of a point from another point. Okay. Now when we are talking of bearing, the word from is very very important when you are given a bearing question. Always consider the word from. Okay. The word from means that angle belongs to what? Whatever you are, the angle belongs to what? Belongs to the point you are giving to. So like this one now, if the bearing of A from O is what? Is 0.048 degrees. So it means that this zero belongs to what? It belongs to 48 degrees. So what do? Just draw your cardinal point, which is north, east, south, and west. So this is 0.48 degrees falls under northeast. So it falls under 90. So just go and draw a line. Draw a line. So here is going to be 0.48 degrees. Okay? Good. Now, this is O. From O, this is O. So it means that this angle belongs to O, not A. Now, what is the bearing of O from A? So you draw another straight line. You draw another, this is north, this is east, this is south, and this is what? West. Okay, so we have to calculate the bearing of O from A. This is A now. So we need this angle. We need this angle. How do you obtain this angle? How do you obtain this angle? Let me just tell you, you can take alternate angle. This angle and this angle, they are alternate angle. When do we obtain alternate angle? That is when you have a Z shape, this is Z shape or N shape. So that's when we always have alternate angle. Alternate angle. Either is Z shape or N shape, we have alternate angle. And another thing is that how do you, in a short way, how do you know the bearing of what? The bearing of O from A. Anytime you are given an angle and the angle is less than 180, what do? Just add the angle then plus 180 to get the back bearing. This is what we call back bearing. So therefore, the bearing of O from A is going to give you. I told you that anytime you are giving an angle and the angle is less than 180, what do? Just add the angle plus 180 degree to get the back angle, to get the back bearing. Okay, so you are going to have 180 degree plus 45 degree plus 48 degree rather. So this one give you 228 degrees. So that is the bearing of what? The bearing of O from A at 228 degrees. Okay, now let's go to number 2. Let's go to number 2, the question 2. So we have, if the bearing of B from A is what? Is 302 degrees. Now, what is the bearing of A from B? I told you in bearing, always consider the word from. So the word from means what? This angle belongs to A, not B. So this angle belongs to what? Belongs to A. So we are going to draw, you move your hand like this. Because if you move your hand like, let's say this is your page. This is the page of your book now. And you move your hand toward this side, you cannot get the right thing. It will go up. I get it. So that is why you need to go down. You need to go down, you draw your corner, your cross, then this is east, this is what? This is south, and this is what? This is west. Okay, so we need 302 degrees. So you know each angle is what? Represent 90 degrees. Okay, each angle represent 90 degrees, and this one is 180 degrees, and this one is what? Is 270 degrees. Why this one is what? Is 360 degrees. Okay, now look at this 302 degrees. So it's going to fall under what? Under the fourth quadrant. It's going to fall under the fourth quadrant. So you can just draw a straight line like this. Okay, you draw a straight line like this. Okay, now can you see now? So from here down here is 302 degrees. And what is the question to consider? What is the bearing of A from what? from B, the bearing of A from B. So you draw another line. So this is what? This is of A, and this is of what? This is of B. So we have north, we have east, we have what? We have south, then we have west. Okay, so the bearing of A from B is what? How do you get the bearing of A from B? This is what you do. Anytime, another thing you need to know, anytime the given angle is more than 180, what do you do? The given angle minus 180 degree. That is how to make it faster. You can do it in another way by taking alternate angle. By taking alternate angle of this one and plus 90, you get the same thing. I will do that one later. So what is the bearing of what? The bearing, the bearing of A from B is going to be, I told you that anytime the given bearing is more than 180, what do you do? The given bearing minus 180 degree. So the given bearing is what is more than 180. So you are going to say 302 degree minus 180 degree. So let's minus it. So this one give you 302 minus 180 degree. So this one give you 2. You borrow from this one 2. This minus the 10 minus 8, this is 2, okay? This one give you what? Give you 1. Therefore, we have the bearing of A from B is what? Is 122 degree. So that is how to calculate that. Or if you want to do the alternate one, you want to take the alternate angle of this one now. Alternate angle of this one. So this is what you just do. You just minus this one. This is 302. We have this 270. 270. This is 302. Then 270. Let's minus this one give you 2. This one 10. This one give you 3. Okay. So this angle will be what? Will be 32 degree. Will be 32 degree. While the remaining angle here will give you whatever. So this angle is going to be alternate angle. You know this is Z angle. This is Z shape. This is Z shape. Okay. So this angle and this angle, they are going to be the same thing. 32 degree. Okay. Now after that, what do? You will discover that the given angle here is what? Is less than 180. What do you do? Just add this one. Just add 90 plus this one together. So when you add 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 32. What is that? We have 90, then we have 32. So this one give you 2, okay? Then 9 plus 3, that will give you what? 12. Therefore, the bearing of what? The bearing of A from B is what? Is 122 degrees. So this is another way of calculating the bearing. Okay? Don't forget, I repeat that anytime you are asked to find the bearing of a point from another point, the given bearing, when the given bearing is less than 180, what do? You add them together to get the other point, okay? Or when the given bearing is more than or greater than 180, what do? The given bearing minus 180 degree. Then you use that one to get the other point, okay? Please don't forget to do what? To always like, to always comment, and to always share. Then after this one, we are going to look at how to calculate bearing and how to calculate distances, bearing and distance, okay? So which will take us to the cosine rule and what? And sine rule. So in the next video now, we are going to look at some complex question, like Y question, like GC question, like JAM question. Are you getting it? Please always follow. Thank you.